You already know Mr. Meyer. He is still the happy managing director of a waste disposal company and works with UNTHA shredders. Since his shredders are used intensively, natural signs of wear and tear occur, as with any machine. To ensure smooth operation and to optimize the efficiency of the machines, these wear parts must be replaced in good time. With the MyUNTHA Maintenance Manager, forward planning is very easy. Mr. Meyer receives an overview of all upcoming maintenance activities on his tablet or PC. Thanks to the support of the Genius Assistance System, the condition of maintenance-intensive components is precisely monitored and the optimal time for maintenance is determined. This enables forward-looking planning. Maintenance can be optimally planned into everyday operational processes. In this way, the efficiency of the shredders is maintained and downtimes are avoided. The MyUNTHA Maintenance Manager supports Mr. Meyer in keeping his systems in good condition and sustainably reduces the total operating costs. The advantages of the MyUNTHA Maintenance Manager: efficient maintenance planning, maximum productivity, detailed documentation and direct notifications. MyUNTHA, make your business easier.